Without using a calculator, find the value of 0.72 divided by 0.3. Neglect the decimal point. This expression can be written as 72 over 3. Now, 3 into 1, 3, and 3 into 24, 72. Now, to put a decimal point, we subtract in division. In the first decimal, there are 2 digits after a decimal point, and in the second one, there is 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1, so we should have 1 digit after a decimal point. Our final answer will be 2.4. Let's say if this question is asked in this way. Without using a calculator, find the value of 0.3 divided by 0.2. Now we are going to divide 0.3. This one can also be written as 3 over 72. This would be equal to 1 over 24. Now, how do we convert it in decimal? We have to divide it manually. The upper number should be inside and the lower number should be outside. Now, 1 is not a multiple of 24, so the number which exists in 24 tables would be less than 1 is 0. 24 times 0 equals 0. 1 minus 0, 1. There is a decimal point. After the decimal point, we can put many zeros as we want. Now, decimal point same as it is. To solve a problem, 1 0 can be lowered down. Again, 10 is not a multiple of 24, so the lower number which exists is 24 times 0 equals 0. 10 minus 0, 10. Now we need one more 0 to solve a problem. 100 is not a multiple of 24, but 24 times 4 equals 96. 100 minus 96, 4. We need one more 0 to solve a problem. 40 is not a multiple of 24, but 24 times 1 equals 24. 40 minus 24 equals 16. We need one more 0. As I have told you, we can put as many zeros as we want. 160 is not a multiple of 24, but 24 times 6 equals 144. 160 minus 144, 16. Again we have got 16. It's mean this portion will move again and again. In the quotient, 6 will repeat frequently. Our answer will be 0.416666666666 and so on. Now, decimal point is already there. We will move it forward. In the first decimal, there is 1 digit after a decimal point, and in the second one, there are 2. So, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. It's mean we will move decimal point 1 digit forward. Our final answer will be 0.41666666 and so on. Thank you very much.